Okay, we're here. Season 2. Are you guys excited? Check out the app when it goes live to see how we've done it. It's pretty simple, actually. Yeah, like do not open your
Okay. Okay. Wow. I'm shook.
Ooh, it's raining. Hey guys, welcome to another rainy weekly vlog. I am so excited because today is the first day of season 2 of Make My Space Work. First shoot day. Hi. How's it going? Hi. You gonna help me pick some paint? So Chico and I are at Home Smith and it's bright and early. Chico's already befriended the store dog. And we're here because we need to pick some paint for the really fun accent wall we're gonna be doing in Bianca's house today. It's not something I've ever done before, so we're using water, we're using a rag. It's gonna look like a watercolored wall.
Right.
I kind of like this one. Or this one. What's this? Crisp light
the darker
pink?
you go,
Yeah.
the more tones you can get out of it. Because
Okay.
you can like water it down and get like lighter shades of it.
Okay, so we should go dark.
Yeah.
It was under. Okay, so we need cranberry and limestone.
Right.
Fun. Okay, so we've got our paints. We have the tester that you can pour right into the bigger pint of paint. And we have like, it's 10. We have, I don't know how many hours left to do this makeover. We haven't even started. I haven't even had a coffee, but I know Chico and I can do it. We pull it off every time. Okay, let's do this. Season 2, are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Also, you're matching
Woo. That's right.
for season 2.
Green team.
Green team. There's Amanda and Alex, Chico again. We're shooting in a very small space today. Yeah, this is gonna be tight and it's gonna be really hot in here. Okay, and then this is the space we're making over. It's very tiny, but we have a lot going on. So the snack on set today is, what, fruit roll-ups or fruit by the foot?
Fruit by the foot.
Oh, everyone's eating them. Okay, also we're doing this really cool accent wall. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. Looks like cotton candy. Check out the app when it goes live to see how we've done it. It's pretty simple actually.
I think it's like July?
July? Oh my gosh, sorry guys, you're gonna have to wait until July.
Is that true, Alex?
Is that true?
Yeah.
Alex is too busy eating a fruit roll-up. Well, sorry guys, it goes live in July, but I will link some June. I'll link some other episodes down below so you guys can catch up. If you haven't watched Make My Space Work, we do fun DIYs like this in every episode. Okay, I need a fruit by the foot. I was always that kid in elementary school who like would look enviously over at my friends' lunches who had fruit roll-ups. I was never allowed to have those.
Did you ever get to trade for them? Did you have anything good to trade?
You gotta
No, because my mom, bless her, would like, we weren't allowed chips, we weren't allowed pop, we weren't allowed like just veggies and yogurt.
And no one was trading you.
And no one was trading me for veggies and hummus. Anyways, today's my day.
Cottage cheese. Makes the same noise.
Guys, look at the wall. So happy with it. I can't wait until you see the video and see how this whole nook turns out. What do you guys think so far?
looking good. I don't know what you want from me.
Unenthusiastic.
Beautiful.
You're also vlogging.
Yes. It's very meta.
It's looking good.
Okay, well. Carrie?
And
It
then
was so smooth.
then take it down.
Hey guys, it's Thursday? Thursday. And we're on another Make My Space work shoot. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. It looks so good. The light looks a tad bit lopsided. Does anyone else notice that? Scott, what's the verdict on today's makeover so far?
It looked really good until you brought in that light.
Rob, do you have any thoughts?
I like the light.
Thanks.
I think it looks good.
Thanks. Chico?
Yeah, it's great.
Chico's always just like, yeah, whatever, it's fine.
It would be.
It looks better after you trimmed it. So what's happening? You're putting that there, bringing another one,
Yep.
table on top?
Yep, and then I'm gonna step back and be like, ooh, that light needs a trim.
Okay.
Wait, are we rolling? I can't believe this desk was in Kim's bedroom. I'm so excited that she finally gets to have a bigger bed in her room, and then she can actually enjoy her room as a place to like unwind and relax. This desk is great. It's a really great size, and I think it's gonna be able to fit her and her roommate, which is awesome. So
You're blocked by it.
I can't believe that Kim had this pretty, like, decently sized desk in her bedroom. I'm so excited to be bringing it in here because now she gets her bedroom back. She gets a place to unwind and be cozy and comfy. And this desk is gonna be big enough that her and her roommate can share it. I think the light definitely needs a bit of a trim. And then do you want to cut into me?
Yeah. Got
Trim
it. Okay, cameras one.
it? Okay. Just a casual Thursday morning light trim, you know? Normal everyday life. It's ridiculous.
That was perfect. That was actually so sick. Go ahead.
Guys, Kim is here. We're gonna do the reveal. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited. It's been a day, so I'm like extra excited.
Okay. I can't wait. Yeah, like do not open your
Okay. Okay.
Scott, are we rolling? Okay, step down. Okay, don't open. Okay, don't open. Okay, I have serious butterflies. Okay, on the count of 3, I want you to open your eyes, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, wow. Wow. I'm shook. Yeah. Wow, that's so good.
Ah! Yeah,
So
you're
gonna
gonna channel your inner actress,
Okay.
and you're gonna look.
Kimchi's out.
Yeah. Love that. You're gonna look so shocked.
Okay.
Like,
But don't look at the camera.
Oh.
Look past my shoulders as if you're
Details,
looking
okay.
at this face. Sorry.
The window frame. Or look at Alana.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep looking at Alana, and then.
Hey guys, it is Friday morning. I feel like my face and my hair just like kind of sums up how I'm feeling this morning. We've been shooting basically all week since Tuesday, and shoot weeks are so fun. Like I just love them. I love them so much. I love making over people's spaces. I love the crew. I love just having everyone in the same space collaborating, and so much fun. But I also feel extremely physically exhausted. And I'm just like really feeling it this morning. So I did get a bit of a sleep in, which is so nice. It's 9:30 and Alana's gonna be arriving soon. And then Scott and Rob are gonna be arriving soon to start setting up. Today we're just doing stand-up, so it's where I sit in front of my bookshelf and kind of like narrate the episodes we just shot. And Alana C, like, there's too many Alanas. Alana C is coming over at 10 to do my makeup. Yeah, so it should be a good day. And then after that, after we shoot the stand-ups for Make My Space Work, I'm shooting for my own channel. Which should be great. Getting my makeup done by Alana. And there's the other. So many Alanas. Makeup done? You guys ready?
Yeah, I'm just doing my my show here.
What's your show called?
Make my room work.
Sounds like a rip-off to me. Okay, do you guys want coffee? You'll do an oat milk latte.
Can you froth the milk?
You guys are so demanding. From the top, am I right?
Camera's rolling.
Sounds big. Hey guys, welcome back to my series, Make My Space Work, the show where we
Do things.
do things. Hey guys, welcome back to my series, Make My Space Work, the show where we gift hardworking entrepreneurs with a massive office